Which language utatumia lugha gani? English? You'll use English? Okay, that will be fine. You speak loudly so that Mr. Rene can hear you.
Yes, so can lift up the hand, right hand. Repeat after me. I swear before the Almighty God, I swear before the Lord, before this one of the court, is honorable. And the evidence which I have to give, the evidence will be, shall be the truth, all truth, so I will not be told.
Yes, you speak loudly.
Yeah.
Mr.
I want you to tell the court your full names, where you live, and what you do for a living. Yes. Tell the court.
I am Johnstone, Munyendo, my name. I come from Makunga.
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
As a peasant.
Farmer. So, Mr. Munyendo, yes, you will record this statement with your words, dated 3rd of March 2021. Yes. Will you wish to the court to rely on it as part of the evidence in chief?
Dated 3rd of March, which year?
2021. The witness statement of Johnstone Munyendo, the 3rd of March 2021, and also the plaintiff be adopted as part of this testimony in chief. Mr. Munyendo, yes.
Just a minute. Let me adopt it. Okay.
In your statement, you've made reference to documents such as title deed, show that you're the owner, demand notice, and they're listed in the list of documents dated 3rd of March 2021 and supplementary dated 3rd of October 2025. Will you want the court to have a look at this document as part of the evidence in chief?
Just a minute. List of documents dated
3rd of March 2021. And then a supplementary list of documents dated 3rd of October 2025.
Yes. You wish them to be produced.
Yes,
Speak loudly.
I accepted to be accepted.
Okay, yeah, they can be produced as plaintiff exhibit number 1 to plaintiff exhibit number 7 as they appear in the two lists.
You know, which there's an objection.
Just a minute.
Very well.
Okay, Mr. Rene. You object
I
to which?
wish to object to the production of a particular document contained in the plaintiff's supplementary list of documents, 6th October 2025. Particularly, it's a survey report and the next is there too, prepared by one Vincent Kiboreng Kiptum. The ground of objection is that this document has been prepared.
Vincent Kiboreng
Kiptum.
Kibware.
Yes. A report dated October 3rd, 2025. The ground of objection is on a legal point.
Yes.
Said documents have not been prepared by a person who is competent to produce them, as required by Section 48 of the Evidence Act. So they said Vincent Kibwaren Kiptum.
Just a minute. You're saying have not been prepared by a person
competent to produce the report within the meaning of Section 48 of the Evidence Act. said Vincent Kiboren Kiptum is not a qualified surveyor.
Section, which section?
Section 48 of the Evidence Act.
You're saying he's not,
Not a qualified surveyor, and in that regard, he isn't the maker of that report. Therefore, he cannot be admitted in evidence unless and until the maker is called. That's it, Your Honor.
it was,
We wish that the said report be marked for identification.
okay.
So that the person who prepared it, Vincent Kiptum, can attend court when the court will be done.
Yeah, we can confirm that.
Very well, Your Honor.
So that one can be marked as PMFI 6.
Okay. PMFI 6. Fair?
Yeah, Mr. Munyendo, since you've already recorded your statement, which has been adopted as part of the evidence in chief, just briefly tell the court what is your case against these people that you filed this case against.
My case is that I bought this land in 1990 from Jose Enos Makoha,
Land parcel, just mention the land parcel.
1990.
No, the land parcel number. Just like
It is also
1980.
Esumeya
Butsotso,
stroke Esumeya
Sumeya.
1980.
Okay.
Yeah.
From who?
Enos Makoha Matasi.
Yes.
Year 1990. I've been dealing with this land from that time. He left, he died.
Yes.
In 2004, around there. He left me peacefully with the family, tilling the land, planting, harvesting.
Yes.
Until 20th March, around March 2020, August.
So it's August.
August 2020
Until August 2020.
is when the wife to the late came around with 3-4 people.
To the late Enos.
Just a minute. When you say wife to the late, just say the name.
The name.
Say the name.
The wife to the late who?
Late Enos Makoha Matasi.
He came with
About 3 people.
So you're saying this person, the wife is the name? The wife.
Monica.
Yes, I want the court to record that.
Yeah, Monica Labi Makoha.
Okay, that is the first defendant.
Yeah.
Okay, proceed.
just a minute. Monica Makoha. Yes.
Joseph Makoha, the son.
Just a minute. She came with Joseph Makoha.
son.
His son to Enos. Yes.
And Wilberforce.
Wilberforce.
Yeah.
Wilberforce.
William.
That would be fourth accused.
Yes, check.
Priska Anyonje will be third accused, third defendants rather.
After that, he was telling me, he told me.
Who told you?
That is Monica. Told me when I was harvesting my maize from that shamba. But
That what?
you didn't buy the other part of the shamba moram.
The moram part of the shamba. Yes.
I told her, I felt, I asked her how, and I've been feeling this land even when the mzee was there, and in fact the mzee was the one who gave me the dimension, taking where I should stop.
Just a minute. Yes.
And then even I remember you, Mama, referring to Monica. When the other neighbor of mine, away, wanted to interfere with the boundary,
Yes.
you defended me, but that boundary belonged to me.
Just a minute.
Our wife to do mercy. I don't know her name, sorry.
Okay.
And then when your son, Simon, wanted, when he was doing some construction, you told me she wanted moram.
Okay.
He wanted moram. And I said, okay, if he's read down, if
Okay.
which when Simon came, he asked me, according to the mother, the mother had asked, told her, you can excavate this area, as I'm planting this place, don't go the other side.
Okay. So you allowed him to excavate.
Peacefully. He paid me, it was free.
Yes.
Those were sentiments when what were making me think that why is she telling me that I didn't buy, that land is not belonging to me yet. I've been working in this manner. But there I saw that there was danger. I took the matter to the legal, who was by then legal, the brother to the husband, the late husband, Enos. always
Yes.
though he had retired from the legal, but I thought since he was the witness in the transaction before,
He was the witness.
he was the legal, not witness.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
But then I saw no, he was sickly, and then I took the matter because I was following the protocol. I took the matter to assistant chief.
Yes.
Sophia.
Okay.
When chief, instead for them to come at the assistant chief, they went to the chief. They defied the order.
Yes.
When the chief summoned me. Within 2 days.
Yes.
Yeah, he summoned me that there is a case, a boundary case at your Shamba 1980.
Okay.
Went, but when I went, already I didn't know that they had invited in assistant registrar, a certain surveyor, and another. I didn't know the names of the surveyors from internationally. They told me this is from.
They had invited the assistant registrar
Yes.
of lands and another surveyor.
Yeah, the surveyor, a district surveyor, something that's what we they introduced. And other officials, which I don't know if they will still, then us. And some officials from, I didn't know whether they were from judiciary, whether from some lands, I didn't know.
Okay.
I asked if they have they have the map or whatever they going to measure, and yet to measure they took, they surveyed the whole parcel, the land, including the remaining part, which was the 1999 part, the part from my neighboring part, the remaining part of their Shamba.
Okay.
So, so the that which was there, I was asking them. They just started at random before not telling me that they will survey the land. They just started surveying that land on the Moram side, the other side, middle side. So eventually,
Yes, eventually what happened?
eventually they really acquitted me the Moram, that my land is in Moram. Fine, I said, okay.
They said your land was in the map.
The Moram. I said, I don't have a title deed covering the other side, but it is part of my land. How do I, what can it be?
Yes.
Okay, I asked him, what survey is this? No, I sense there's danger. And then that's why I had to come for the court, run for the court to intervene the matter.
Okay.
Or else, the land, the Moram is within my parcel of land. Though somebody is claiming that I don't know what has emanated for all this time from 1990 to date. I've been tilling that land peacefully without interference. But when I noticed there was this interference. When I go to work there, I'm interfered with. I am threatened. Some photos are taken. So I don't know what the rules. I'm appealing to this court to stop. Yeah. So that I keep my land, tilling my land peacefully as before. Before Mzee died and after Mzee dead, I've not been having a problem until that time on August 20th, August 2020.
Okay.
And then a few questions.
Yeah.
Do you have you produced a copy of the title of your parcel of land?
Yes.
Please tell the court the acreage of your parcel of land.
0.6. 0.6
Hectares or acres?
hectare.
0.6 hectares. Okay.
And where is that maram? Is the maram part of your land or part of the dependent's land?
Part of my land. Because Mzee, yes, hold on. Mzee has decided that since now I am down this way, I should manage the land, the whole parcel for him, where I thought the moral. Because already he had sold that moral area to the road constructors.
To the road constructor. So maybe if you just look at these, when you look at this parcel number, your parcel number
1980.
1980. What about 19? The other for the defendants?
1979.
So where the maram is it in your border with the 1979 or is it in the border with the other parcel 4101?
Just a minute. It's 1979.
Yeah, that is the land parcel for the defendants.
Parcel for the
The maram is
mine is this one, the moram is here.
okay.
And these are the neighbors. The one I mentioned that was defending me.
Okay.
When someone claimed.
Okay.
So this maram is on the other side, not bordering 1979. Okay, it's down. And they're claiming that this down part is their land.
So I'm wondering.
It is bordering, just mention which parcels of land.
It is bordering 4101 and 4102.
4101 and 4102.
Yes.
Okay.
The other prayers are captured in statement.
Okay.
Has already adopted. I
Okay.
believe my colleague can proceed with the cross-exam.
Exam.
Yes.
Mr. Rene,
Very well. Yes, present, Your Honor.
you are witness.
Mr. Munyendo, please confirm your property measures 0.6 hectares.
Yes.
Please confirm that the portion that has this maram measures 0.35 hectares.
What does it? You confirm that? 0.5, you said?
0.35 hectares.
It's within my shamba. It's within
Okay, just confirm if that's
The
the.
question is, confirm that this maram section measures 0.35 hectares.
Okay, me, I have the whole shamba. I didn't measure the moram, but I have the.
So you can't confirm.
You don't know.
It's engulfed within 0.6.
Let me take you back to the year 1990, sir. You confirm that you bought some parcel of land from the late Enos Makoha. That's correct?
Yes. Repeat
Do
the
you con-
question.
Do you confirm that in the year 1990, you bought some portion of land from the late Enos Makoha? Yes?
Yes.
You confirm that you paid 16,000 shillings as a purchase price, which you paid within 4 years, 4-year period.
I paid 17 cash, 1,000 at once when the boy was going to school, Joseph. That was school fees. That's why Enos Makoha approached me to buy that land.
Please
And-
answer the question as asked. Did you pay 16,000 shillings as a purchase price? Yes or no?
On the spot.
On the
Which you
spot,
paid,
you pay.
which you paid within 4 years period, 4-year period.
I paid cash at once because the boy was going to school. And of course, now, let me explain to you, you are not there.
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Just answer the question.
I paid at once.
Yeah, okay.
Very well. Now, you confirm to the court that your land is Butsotso Etsumea 1980, correct?
Yes.
Again, confirm to the court that Butsotso Etsumea 1979 is in the name of the late Enos Makoha.
Just
That's
a
correct.
minute.
Yes.
Yes.
You also confirm, sir, that these parcels of land, the two of them, arose from a mutation or a subdivision of Butsotso Etsumea 1105. Is that true?
I don't have the mutation here, but we can produce the.
Butsotso.
Etsumea 1105.
Yes.
I wish to refer the witness, Your Honor,
Yes.
the document appearing at page 36 of the defendant's bundle of documents.
Page 36.
Yes, of the defendant's bundle of documents. The pagination is at the bottom left.
I hope this one is 6.
Page 36.
Right, 36, okay. This is the land acquisition. Is it the one?
Yes, it's a letter by the office of the president.
Okay.
I also dispatched the original copy to the court file today morning.
Okay, the original. I can see it. Letter is dated when
25th October 1985.
okay.
At the bottom right.
I've seen.
Mr. Munyendo,
Yes.
I want to show you this letter by the office of the president. You confirm this letter confirms that the owner of this madam site, the late Enos Makoha Matas. From the letter that's before you,
Yes.
You confirm, sir, that the owner of the madam site, as per this letter of 1985, is Enos Makoha.
At which paragraph is that?
You know, this letter was issued by the office of the president.
Yeah, I'm
Paragraph
trying to
1,
find it.
paragraph 2, it was to compensate the late Enos Makoha for the government extracting Maram from his property. The construction of Mumias Kakamega Road.
Yes. Can you confirm that from the letter?
Okay, I can see.
So you confirm the ownership of that Maram site belonged to Enos Makoa as per this letter of 1985.
Can I react? Because I bought this land already when the construction was over.
You bought when the
This
construction
is a
was
1985 letter, sir. 1985. We live along 1990 when you bought the land. We'll come to that later. This is 1985. Just confirm what the letter says. That Enos Makoa is the addressee.
okay.
As for the extraction of Maram.
The name is
And the name on
Enos Makoa.
yeah.
Yeah, Makoa Mandasi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Confirm at paragraph 3 that Enos Makoa was paid 4,500 shillings then as compensation for the extraction of Maram from the land.
Yes, from the document.
Is not found to the
Also, by the
Yes.
Question on this letter, the last question, confirm the parcel number is Usoso Esumea 1105 as per the letter.
Yes, confirm.
Please confirm to the
Parcel number is 1105. Just confirm that, just that. We move on to the next question.
Okay.
We are told the court earlier 1105 a subdivision arose and created 1979 and 1980. That's correct. Which now you purchased 1980.
of the land 1990.
Yes, but you purchased Busotso Etsumea 1980. That's correct.
1980 is the title deed.
Correct. Now,
But all these moral issues, when Mure was marking the boundary between, already mentioned to me that he had sold this land to the road constructors. And he said, in the case of any matter arising, he will stand in and he will explain me. Although he had not given me this document, but I said, no problem. But unfortunately, when he died, we did not done transaction about this document you are speaking of. Otherwise,
okay. So
when I came in 1990, already the exercise with the road was over. And that's
just
why
answer my question as I've asked you. Just answer the question as I've asked you.
Yes.
So when you bought your parcel of land, Butsotso Etsumea 1980, confirm that this land you're buying it and you've been using it for farming. That's true.
yes.
What have you been farming there? What crops have you been farming in that land?
Foodstuffs. Yes.
So you've been farming maize on the land that you purchased, right?
And also potatoes. And by the side of the road of the Mora, I planted some trees. In fact, I bought them from that very village from Joseph who had a nursery.
Very
Nursery.
well. Just answer the question as I've asked you. Don't give me extra stories. So the land that you purchased, you've been using it for farming. Please confirm that this area that has the maram, at the time you're buying it, there was a barbed wire that had fenced off that Maram section?
Okay, yes, I saw it, but
Just
because
okay,
Just
that's
a
what I want to
minute.
confirm. Just confirm. So at the time you bought the property, 1980, there was a barbed wire between
there
the
was
Maram
about
area that made it
the,
exclusive. Very well.
there was a barbed wire I saw. I'm not living on that land. I'm just farming, but
That's
I
okay.
didn't mind. I
That's what I
didn't
want to
mind.
confirm. That's okay.
I left it there. I didn't know after some time. I don't know if they had rolled it away because it was not my property and I was not buying what was there. I was just buying land, not anything that was put there before. But after which is when I developed that land properly, planted my eucalyptus trees and other things like even after moment I tried to plant some oranges and lemons, but some did not survive. But there is a lemon thriving at the moment and some trees.
Okay.
Please, let us, sir, that answer the question as I've asked you. Don't give me stories that are not asked. My next question is simple. You've told the court you planted maize, potatoes, you're not saying oranges on this your land. If that were the case, sir, please explain to the court whether it makes any logical sense that you bought parcel of land measuring 0.6 hectares and the area of the Maram is 0.35 hectares. Are you therefore saying that more than half of your land was not arable land? Yet you claim you've been planting there.
Okay, when I went to buy land, I didn't know, and I saw the land, and the museum was leading me. So I would not say, although he mentioned what that letter contains, that he had sold the means. Of course, I asked him, why is this ditch? Because akaniambia, no problem. This ditch I had given out to the Moram to construct the Kakamega Mias Road, of which I saw, and I was looking at it as normal. Then to also he was to get an income from there for his purpose or private use as usual. So I just accepted and told him, okay, I will see in case they come back, because I don't think he issued any land title deed for that land in the Moran. But he has given me that this land belongs to me and he'll take it from there, neighboring that foot 1 something. Yeah. So I said, fine, I am ready. I've accepted and I'm paying you this amount. I'll take care of the land. Thank you, Muse. And besides that, after which another issue emanated, school fees to other daughters, of which
Please
I
answer the
said,
question. No, sir. Please answer the question I've asked you.
Yeah,
Please. Please confirm that your testimony before the court is more than half of the land that you bought is not arable land, because land that has Maram extraction cannot be arable land. Is that your testimony?
no, explain to me what arable land is.
Maybe you explain to him.
Very well. You told the court a few minutes ago that the land which you purchased, you used it to plant maize, sweet potatoes, oranges, lemons. Okay? So the question is simple. Your property measures 0.6 hectares. Okay? The Maram area measures 0.35 hectares. So therefore, is it your testimony that more than half of the land you bought is the Maram area?
I told you before that I have not confirmed what the moral, because me, I will not go in for
So you
measuring.
don't know. So you don't know.
I
Okay.
don't know what the Moram is, but I thought Moram is engulfed within that 0.6. At the same time,
Just
Very well. So you don't know whether more than half of your land
so
just
is Maram area.
a minute, so I check. Yes.
so that arable lands. Okay, I thought now, in spite of just looking at this land, I developed that area so that it belonged to me, and you can do anything in your land which you have bought.
Okay, so my question, sir, is simple. Let's answer the question as it is. Is it your testimony that more than half of the land you bought, which also is Sumaya 1980, more than half of it is the Maram area?
I believe it's already answered that question.
Very well.
Is it more than?
I
Yeah,
don't,
if it's more than half of
You
the land,
don't know.
I don't know,
You
me,
don't
I
know.
have the parcel.
Okay. Okay, it's okay. I've said that you can't know the acreage of the Maram area.
But I think it is within, I thought even the museum showed me that the parcel I was acquiring.
Okay.
Next area, please. Let me now take you to 10th August 2020, the events upon which you filed this suit. Confirm the following. You say that on that date, the defendants came to the land to extract Maram. Is that correct? Your testimony.
Yes.
I said that
The defendants, the ones you've sued, Monica,
on August, that was August, around August. I said when the mother and a team of the three came and attacked me, saying that I had not bought that land, parcel land of the Mora.
It's okay. So the question is simple. Did they come there to extract the Maram? Yes or no?
But before, Simon and the mother had requested me to provide them with the Mora.
Did they come? The question was, did they come to
Answer the question. Did they come to
extract the Maram?
Yes or no?
On 20th.
10th August 2020.
Well, Moram was before. Moram asking me Moram.
But on 20th, the question is.
On 20th was just a message.
A message that's okay.
To prevent it was as if it was warning me that that land does not belong to
the Maram part.
The Moram part.
Okay.
That's the way. That's why I went to so try to run around.
Okay.
Tell the
Okay. Okay, so the answer confirmed, please confirm that your answer is that the defendants had come to that parcel of land on that day to extract Maram, and they were unable to extract the Maram because you stopped them from doing it. That's correct.
Objection, no? There's nowhere where my client stated that you counsel will impute me. It's not captured in the statement, and he has not said that today.
You're not with the witness a question as I didn't fit really. I can ask him even a leading question because examination, unless the rules have changed. The Evidence Act is clear on this. You're supposed to answer the question. That objection is not sustainable, Your Honor.
Okay.
Actually,
So yes.
Okay, I'll first question again, Your Honor. Please confirm, Mr. Munyendo, that on 10th August 2020, the defendants came to the land wanting to extract Maram from it. Is that true or not true?
Your Honor, 20.
On 10th, did they come to extract
10th August
Maram?
2020.
Only that. That's what.
Okay, on 2020 Apple, when they asked Moram, I accepted and they extracted what I had they wanted. But 2020 August was just a warning from them already.
So they did not come to extract
They
Maram.
had not come. They just came. It was as if they are coming to warn me about the land.
Okay. So they didn't extract very well.
But initially,
it's okay. I've got the point.
Okay.
I wish to refer the witness, Your Honor, to the plaint. This is the plaint dated 9 February 2021, filed by the plaintiff.
Yes. Show him the
I don't know if you have the plaint before him.
I think Mr. Mbeka has it.
Maybe you can refer to the paragraph.
Yeah, refer to the paragraph. Which paragraph?
what does it
Your Honor, between paragraphs 9 of the plaint and the particulars that we put there. Particulars of trespass, you know, at page 113 of the bundle. If I just refer you very quickly. And in the plaint, particulars of trespass have been itemized there. Maybe council can just show you that particulars of trespass in the plaint.
113, eh?
Yes, page 113. Page 113 of the defendant's bundle, we put the plaint there.
Yes, paragraph 26.
26.
26.
Mr. Munyendo, you've claimed there that these defendants unlawfully and illegally excavated maram soil on your land. Yet you just told the court that no maram was extracted. So what should the court believe? Should the court believe your testimony before the court now, or the court should believe what is in your plaint?
Yes.
I have to answer that.
Yeah, you have to answer that question.
You see, I had not reported that they extracted illegally, but another case was there when they wanted to extract that moram for the county council. And when I rejected, is when they brought up this case. Why?
Please answer the question. Is your testimony before the court the one to be believed, or the court should believe the pleading in your plaint that the defendants trespassed into your land and lawfully and illegally extracted maram? What should the court believe? What story is true?
They never extracted land, but they wanted. They only extracted the moram was the one the son Simon requested me initially. But for them to come in, it was a trespass. I termed it a trespass because I just suddenly saw a group of people attacking me on the land that helping Mama, even when Wilper was threatening me that if I don't,
fine.
But if I don't give land, he threatened me. Just listen.
Fine.
Listen, please.
You would answer the question. My question is just yes or no questions. It's very straightforward.
Okay. That very day, Weremba threatened me to kill, that he gave an example that if you don't give up this land, you will face the same problem like the other man at Bumamu. Bumamu, they had killed a person because of the land dispute. Then from there, I was afraid. That's why. But otherwise,
okay.
There is no, I cannot say that
Okay.
they extracted land illegally.
Please just answer my question. Answer my question as it is. You've told the court that they came to the property, but no maram was extracted. But in your plaint, you said they trespassed on the land and maram was unlawfully and illegally excavated. So what story should the court believe? Just choose one. Should the court believe the story you've told the court now or the story in your plaint? Just choose one. Go to the next question.
Let me rectify, because I termed it illegally, because...
Just tell me, should the court believe the story in your plaint or the testimony you've given the court? Choose one.
Well, I have to put myself the way I composed myself for that day. That day, it is me and others who are not before us here. I was carrying away.
Yeah. The issue was if on that day they extracted maram or they didn't.
They didn't.
Okay, it was just that.
Very well. And so I also want to refer the witness to paragraph 22 of the plaint, Your Honor. The same plaint.
Okay. 22.
Same page 113 of the defendant's
Yes.
At paragraph 22 of the plaint, sir, you plead or aver that there were impending acts of trespass. Please confirm that the words you've used there, impending acts of trespass, means that the trespass had not yet materialized. Is that correct?
Okay, when I said trespass, I used
to say there were impending acts of trespass. This is your plaint. Impending acts. Please confirm that means that the trespass had not yet occurred when you filed this suit?
For trespass, I sued because when they came, I was not aware that they were coming for me. That's why I say they trespassed the land from 1979 to the midst of the 1990 land. So the three people were not talking friendly. They were just attacked. They had just attacked me, and as I told you, I was afraid when the Wilberforce was.
Did they trespass actually? Impending act means.
Yeah, when the Wilberforce was threatening me that unless I give this land, I will face the music that. So some people did in Mum.
So did they trespass?
Okay, fine.
Yes, it's a big trespass because it was not being done on the road. The road is near, the home is in there. They just came from their house across their 1997 to 1980.
Sir, do you wish to disregard the amendments at paragraph 22 and 26 of the plaint? Do you wish to disregard those amendments?
I urge the court to read paragraph 22 in conjunction with paragraph 21. Because in paragraph 21, he says that he was served with a notice by the
witness, Your Honor.
notifying him of a survey that was going to take place on 5th of March.
Let Mr. Rene complete his cross, then you can.
Your Honor, if counsel wants to become a witness, you should just take the stand. I don't think you should leave the witness. Sir, do you wish to disregard the amendments of paragraph 26 and 22 of the plaint? Yes or no? Or you stick by them?
Yes.
Do you wish to
Repeat the
disregard the
question.
amendments, or you want to stick by them?
Wait, what question?
Are you standing by what is said in paragraph 22? Or
And
you want
26.
to? Paragraph 20,
22 and 26 of the plaint.
22 and 26, or you are standing by them?
Now repeat for me them because I didn't have my specs. Just repeat for me, read loudly so that I can give you the two impression. Read for me. I have no glasses. I left my glasses.
Yeah, it says as a result of, let me read for you. As a result of the said acts, the said acts, and the impending acts of trespass poised for the 5th of March 2021, the plaintiff has been and will be unable to use and enjoy his property, and thereby suffering losses and damages. Yes, you heard that paragraph 22.
Yes, I'm afraid. Yeah.
You are afraid, so you are standing by.
Yes.
Very well. You also stand by the amendments at paragraph 26 of the plaint. The ones I told you about, the pleading about trespass, illegal extraction of maram.
The one you have to
You say that paragraph 26 of the plaint that the defendants, particulars of the defendant's act of trespass. My concern is you said the defendants unlawfully and illegally excavated maram soil. Do you wish to stand by that?
No, please. I didn't say that. There is no. They didn't extract.
Oh, very well. Very well.
That one they just
cheating.
I'll be cheating.
Will be cheating. Okay, fine. The next question.
The only subject was.
It's okay. The next question.
It's okay. It's okay.
You stopped me from developing my land, claiming that.
Okay, it's okay. Let's.
Next question. Please confirm that land does not expand in size by itself.
Yes. Confirm that land does not expand
in size by itself.
Oh, I don't know what you mean by that. Explain further.
Okay, it's just a logical question or a common sense question. Does land expand by itself or shrink by itself?
Well, Mosaic is not there.
No, does it expand? It's
a question, please.
Yeah.
Land expand.
You can expand by buying.
You can expand by buying.
Yeah.
Fine. So you confirm you can expand land by buying, or even you can expand it by adjoining to another parcel. That's true.
Yeah.
Very
No,
well.
no, really, no. By illegal, you can expand by buying illegal. Because like in 4102, I can buy and expand my 1980.
No problem. So you can expand the land by adjoining it to another one next to it. That's right.
Because yes, you can.
Okay, fine.
You can buy, you can negotiate, you can be given as a gift.
Okay. So have you produced before this court any mutation form to show the extent of your land? Yes
Which
or
land?
no?
I didn't extend any. I bought this land once and once.
Let's answer the question. Have you produced before the court a mutation form showing the extent of your land? Yes or no? So have you just show it to me?
Have you produced a mutation?
Mutation.
Mm.
I've not given the quote, but I have them. If they are need be, I can have them.
Okay. So there's none in court. Very well.
Okay.
Okay. Have you produced before this court, sir, any documents to show that you bought that Maram site, that Maram area?
Yeah, I didn't buy Moram. I bought land. If you buy land and get gold in, you have not gone to buy gold, but you have bought land. But fortunately or unfortunately, you found there stones,
So the answer,
armor.
so the answer is no, or the answer is yes. You have before court any
Buy the
document showing
Maram.
that you bought that Maram site?
Did you buy the Maram site? It's just a simple question.
I said the Moram site is engulfed in the land. Yes, I bought Moram site.
Okay. Do you have any document showing that you bought that Maram site that you're saying is engulfed in your land?
Under mutation.
Do you have documents in court showing that you bought that Maram site? Documents in court to show that you bought it?
Pardon?
Do you have
Any
any
documents to show that you bought the Maram site?
Maram area that you say is within your land?
I think I had explained when Muse showed me the land, to this land was just a bush area, and he showed me the boundary is this from where I bought land. When they subdivided from 1997,
Do you have any documents to show you bought the Maram land?
1979 to the end of the 41021 and 4201.
Okay. So he just showed you the boundaries. What council is asking is if you have anything to show that you bought that Maram land, other than what you are saying that you are told with the demos.
If it is that way, showing about the Moram, it will be a second purchase, but this one was one purchase whereby was from after mutation from the land yard, as he said, 1105 come through 41022. Otherwise,
Okay, the next question. Please confirm you've sued some people here. Wilberforce, you've sued Priska. Do you know them?
I know them.
Know them. Fine. Please confirm that Wilberforce land does not border your land.
Yes.
Confirm. Please confirm also that Priska Anyonje's land does not border your land.
In fact, they are far from us.
They are very far from you. Very well.
And also,
Please
they are
confirm.
just
Okay.
Just a minute. Yes.
Please confirm that Wilberforce and Priska have never taken your land.
I've not said that.
Okay.
I've never said that I've taken land.
So they have not.
They have not.
Again, confirm, sir, that Wilberforce and Priska have never entered your land by force.
The trespass, they were told to come before me on that 20th August. Why so? I don't know.
They
So-
trespass.
They trespassed. That's why I termed it trespass. And even when the time I was
Okay.
in this land, they were not even near.
So they trespassed when on that 10th August. You're talking.
Yes.
Okay. Do you live on this property, sir? Butsotso Sumaya 1980. Do you live there?
I don't. I just farm and go. That's why I told you about this.
It's okay.
Sengenge, I don't know where it went.
You don't stay on that land, right? Please confirm that you stay at Makunga Market at Mateka. Please confirm. That's where you stay.
So,
Is that true?
so
What's
Yes.
the answer? Okay.
It's true. He says it's true.
And please confirm, sir, if you remember, the plot where you stay, you bought it from someone called Mzeamunga. Where you stay now?
I think
Where you're
Just
staying
repeat
now at Mateka. Please confirm that you bought it from Mzeamunga.
yes.
That's true.
Yes.
And Mzeamunga, we confirm, is dead.
Yes.
Have you had any disputes over that land after the death of Mzeamunga?
I processed this land through the court and was just to process through the succession, but the member passed away before we completed the succession.
Please confirm, sir, that there are disputes that are existing between yourselves and Mzeamunga's beneficiaries over that land. Is that correct?
That
Listen, repeat the question again.
Please confirm that you are having disputes yourself with the beneficiaries of Mzeamunga's estate over that land where you're staying.
is my, what does that want to mean? Want to make that land where I'm staying and the land where which may have come from.
Mhm.
Just answer the question, please.
Please,
Mhm. Maybe that's not the.
irrelevant.
Yona,
I've really acquired.
Yona, with respect,
Please, I've acquired the relevant document on this land I'm living.
Okay.
So what?
Yona,
Mr. Rene, yes.
the Union Evidence Act permits me to ask questions concerning the character of a witness. I don't think any objection can be raised unless it is based on that ground. What I'm raising is concerning the
Yes,
character
character.
evidence of the witness.
Okay.
I think it is irrelevant.
On the character, he can.
The character, you can buy some
Very
other
well.
things.
Just what he was asking if there are disputes on that land.
There was a
Let's
dispute
proceed.
and it's over. We finished.
That's okay.
Let's proceed.
We completed the dispute.
Yona, I wish to refer the witness, Your Honor, to the document appearing at page 155 of the trial bundle. 155.
Page one.
155 of the defendant's bundle. That is a further affidavit of Mohammed Luta that is at page 153 all the way page 158, but the concern for now is at page 155. Mr. Munyendo, do you know Mohammed Luta?
Don't know him. I forgot him.
You don't know him? Okay. So you said you don't know him very well. At page 155, Your Honor, I'm referring the witness to paragraph 26 of that affidavit.
Yes. Yes. What about paragraph 26?
I want the witness to confirm that Mr. Luther in this affidavit, who is a surveyor, confirms that when the property was sold to the plaintiff, that Madam site was not part of his property.
Yes.
Confirm that's what the surveyor says in that affidavit.
What do you say about that? Can you read or I read it for you?
Oh, it's just me.
Yes, it's
Okay,
you.
fine.
That the plaintiff in response stated that when he was sold the land parcel, beacons were placed the right starting from the quarry, part of which bought us Butsotso Esume 1164, and to the left Butsotso Esume as 1979.
Well, I was not told. It's clear that I hear it. Maybe they came there.
Okay, so it's not true.
And that is as another trespass.
Okay.
I put it
Fine.
as trespass because they are supposed to tell me to have both parties to attend on that.
It's okay. So you told the court that Mr. Mohammed Luther, you don't know him, right? That's the question you told the court. Because I want to close that area. You don't know Mohammed Luther at all. That's correct. You don't know Mohammed Luther, right?
I don't know him.
Okay.
Although he may be among the group I saw when they abused me that they were going to survey my land, but Mohammed
You
Luther
don't know him. It's okay.
is among the people who are okay. Now I remember somebody.
So do you know him?
Sorry, I'm remembering. I remember.
So now you remember him.
I remember him.
Okay. What do you know about him that you remember him?
Remember him was a surveyor.
He's a surveyor. Fine. There was a survey that was conducted in 2021, November.
But I think he.
Do you remember?
Well, I don't know who engaged him. Because for him, I know him as a surveyor, but I've never had an engagement from the work. So I don't know who engaged him on that.
Okay, no problem. So I want to take you to November 15th, 2021. Just to refresh your memory. This is when there was a survey of these properties. Do you remember that the survey?
Do you remember the survey on 15th November 2021?
Do you recall a survey done on that date on the property?
As I stated before, there was a group of people from where there was one with the who call it they termed a surveyor who had no map. And when I asked for the map and any other document, they said the machine or the photocopying machine for the processing land title this was not out of order. It was not working. Then I produced mine, the one I had before. They rejected, they refused to use it. So they just went on. I don't know what they were basing on.
Okay,
Sorry.
just answer my question as I've asked you, please. Do you remember the survey of November 15, 2021? Yes or no? If you remember the survey.
Do you remember
Confirm.
survey on 15th November 2021? Yes, 15th November.
This is the day when they came with the land register.
Yes, you remember that day very well. So were you present on the property? You're present.
So I think it's the time I was stating that they just came and used to me that they want to measure the land, and it's when they misplaced me.
Were you present on that survey on that day on the land?
So there,
You're present.
and I refuted the idea.
Please confirm that everyone who came to that property, you saw them. Did you see, for example, Monica Makoa on that property on that day for the survey?
Monica Moko.
Yeah, she was there. They were mama.
There. Okay. If you remember very well, did you see anybody who came there using crutches on that property?
No.
Nobody. Okay.
What was his name?
That's okay.
Did you see anybody with crutches?
Says the answer is no.
Unless he was by the shade side, but I didn't see.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Now, you are aware that there is an existing injunction in this matter, which you obtained ex parte upon filing the suit. That's true. Is there an existing injunction, order of injunction in this matter, which you obtained yourself, you as a plaintiff?
Yes.
Get that statement.
Is asking if you are aware that there is an injunction which you obtained when you filed the suit.
Junction on my land.
Yes, which was placed by you.
I didn't get on land. Injunction means something like
Stopping
the,
them from interfering with their land or something like that.
yes.
Yes.
Now, if that is the case and you're aware, there's a time you're saying that you are unwell. Let's say 2024, February, that year. Is it true that you are unwell at that point?
Hello?
Is it true that you are unwell in 2024, the month of February?
Is it true that you are unwell? You will come
Oh
going.
yeah. I was in operation in St. Mary's.
Okay. And on 28th of May 2024,
Just a minute. Yes.
on 28th of May 2024, please confirm that you went to the property with police officers from Makunga Police Station.
Is it true? May 2024? You went with police
Went to the land
officers.
with armed police officers from Makunga.
Yeah, after being threatened, so I was afraid.
After
Because
being threatened.
I was afraid because of the threat from Wilberforce that he would do me something, kill.
Okay. Did you report this threat to the police?
I explained to the officer.
Did you report the threat to the police? Reporting means getting an OB number. Did you report the threat to the police?
I didn't need the OB
You didn't,
number.
okay.
I requested for protection, which is a right of us as a citizen, supposed to be
So,
protected. OB,
it's okay. You also came to the land with a tractor to steal the land. Together with
yes,
armed police officers.
yes, because
No, it's okay. Just answer yes. It's okay. You came with the police and a tractor.
you see,
Please answer the question. Why will you come to the land with policemen and a tractor?
after
Yet, hold on.
after his
Why will you come to the land with policemen and a tractor? Yet the matter is still in question before court for determination. Why don't you wait for the court to determine the case first and decide who is the owner of the property?
fine. One, this land was barbed with the mesh wire, and they uprooted it later on. They ordered an officer from Nabaholo OCS to remove, and they removed. And also, they were ordered to make the boundary to return the boundary as it was before. So when this boundary was removed, I saw that that's in my land, and I'm free to tell it. When I
Okay.
told it,
So
and then,
it's okay. So you're saying that the land is yours, so you're free to till it. So is that why you come with police officers to intimidate people in the village?
the officer was just at my land, protecting me, as I told you, because of the fear of Wilberforce, as he had promised initially. that if unless I give this land, I will see the fire.
Did you make a report of that threat? You said you didn't make any report. That's correct. Okay.
So you see,
No, it's okay. Next question.
there are ways approach of it. My report was to see that things were going worse, and I took this matter to assistant chief, whereby
next question,
they
please.
didn't go there. I came back, and then when I saw they were not, nothing was taking place as between them and me, is when I took the matter to the court. And that's where things
So,
started.
sir, is it your plan to intimidate the defendants? Because you've been claiming that the court has declared you as the owner of the land. Is that your strategy, intimidating the defendants? The police officers?
We've interfered with nothing. It was just by the side when I was afraid the tractor can be damaged. That's why I took the tractor for protection, for defense. It's not
Okay.
that I went there. I went there to
Intimidate.
The next question. I want to take you to October this year, 3rd of October. Please confirm that you took surveyors to the property, Butsotso Etsumaya 1980 and Butsotso Etsumaya 1990.
3rd October this year.
Yes.
Yes, did you?
Yeah, there's a surveyor I wanted him to confirm for me.
So it's true.
So,
Did you get any permission from Monica Makoa to enter her land and begin surveying from her land? Yes or no?
why? That was my land. 1980s land, my land. What rights do I have to go to Monica? He was
This
just
surveyor, you confirm to the court.
He was surveying my land, not Monica, nothing. He didn't even go back to 1979. He was only concentrating between 1980, which is my land, and land between 4101 and 4102. That's where his limits of duty were. And I don't think there was need for me to obtain permission. Of course, my permission was, which I just saw that it is okay to remove those wires, barbed wires and chain links were removed. And then I saw now my land is free. Because I could
Please answer my
not.
question as I've asked you. Don't give me stories, please. These surveyors came to survey property 1980 and 1979. Is that correct?
No.
The surveyors began measuring this survey from Monica Makoa's gate. That is from her gate. Is that correct?
Surveyor was only determining to get his dimension from the boundary of 1979 and 1980. From there is when he embarked on getting the right dimension for 1980. He didn't interfere with anything, with anybody.
Please answer the question as I've asked you. Did the surveyor begin the survey from Monica's gate? Yes or no? Or you don't know?
I don't know. He was just performing his duty.
Okay.
From where? Just a minute.
From 1991. The gate is very far, of which I doubt he reached there.
So he did not touch 1979.
No.
I want to refer the witness, Your Honor, to the document appearing at page 10. Page 10 of the defendant's bundle.
Criminal cases, that's all. But the paper is coming.
Page 10 of the defendant's bundle.
Yes.
Please confirm that you're seeing before you a certificate of official search for Butsotso Etsumaya 1979.
Is it a search for Butsotso?
1979. See it.
The person in 79.
Yes.
Please confirm that this search was being applied for by yourself, Johnstone Munyendo.
Yes.
Please confirm that the owner of the property, 1979, as per the search, is Enos Makoa Matasi, and not yourself.
Yes. Is it
Confirm.
you?
What is the name
Okay. Confirm this search is for 21st February 2017.
Yes, confirm.
Yeah, the dates.
Down there, the date. No, you can't say it's either not having a problem.
You can't find. Fine. I want to find to page 11 of the same bundle, the next page.
Page
That's
11.
the application for search itself, yes.
Mm-hmm.
This is
Okay.
the document that you confirm indicates you as the applicant for this search. That's right.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, you indicate here that the search is being applied for to process further to sons. So my question is, who gave you the mandate to subdivide the land of the late Enos Makoa and subdivide to his sons?
Yes. Purpose of search. Can you read purpose of search? So he's asking who gave you the permission to
Do such.
to subdivide because there is to process further for sons.
I have not gone in for such a tool at all. If somebody made it this way, no. But for such, what for?
You applied, sir, in your search. Purpose of the search, you say to subdivide fathers to sons. So my question is simple. Who gave you the mandate to subdivide the land 1979 to the sons of the late Enos Makoha?
I have never gone in, please, to do some of the subdivision to the sons at all. If that was made, must have been somebody else, but not me at all. Or somebody copied. Otherwise, before I was only mentioning to Mama that, please, Mama, we got this title deed, but I think the title deed for me, mine I got, but yours, please go back, go and get back, so that you may in future use for subdividing to your children. Because you had already subdivided on the land, the two portions for the sons. Although you
Your
have
testimony, sir, is this application for search and the search results, is it a testimony that you're not aware about them?
No, I'm not aware at all.
Not aware
Because I
about
can
them.
see that it bears my names, and I don't know how it came to this, and I'm not even concerned to give an okay or to go in for the family for the subdivision, for giving them, for dividing the land at all. I'm not.
If you're
Even
not concerned about dividing the land of the family of Enos Makoa, then why will you apply for the search and say you want to process for the sons?
I didn't, please. I did.
So you're saying that these documents you want to abandon them? They're not yours.
I have seen it here, but I didn't. Someone scanned my signatures, my names. Please. Never have had, even I've never had a dream.
Very well. Your Honor, That will mark the end of the
Of
cross-examination.
course, I was advising,
It's okay.
I used to advise the mama.
I just have a very few questions.
Yeah, the exam.
For exam. You've been shown this letter by the minister from the Office of the President.
That is page
It's page 36.
36. Okay.
Yes. I just want to confirm from this document that this document, please confirm the date down here. What is the date? That is
25th October 85,
25th October
1985.
85. By 1985, had you purchased this property?
Not it.
Not yet. When did you purchase the property?
1990.
So automatically by 1985, it belonged to the late ends, correct?
Mostly.
To still under Enos.
It cost me some, the names in the.
It's okay. Just that's
Okay.
okay.
Then I believe that is the only question in the exam.
Okay.
I'll be seeking an adjournment to call the maker of the survey report. I believe we can take the 19th of December, the date that you have proposed.
You know, just to clarify, Anson was also supposed to call another witness.
Mm.
So to clarify whether they'll be calling her or abandoning so that we prepare adequately.
And the other witness is the wife of the plaintiff, will not be calling her,
Okay.
but because her testimony is just similar to what he has already testified.
That's okay.
Yes.
So we do further hearing. We agreed on 19th of December 2024, 25. Site visit on that date.
And also, bring these witnesses.
Mr. Rene, you come with your witnesses. Sir.
All of them, Your Honor. Very well.
Okay, 19th of December. Please be.
Most obliged.
Okay.
Was grateful.
Okay, have a good day, Mr. Mbeka, Mr. Rene.
Good day.
Good day.
I'm feeling for clean. Really difficult, but we learn.
Okay, let's listen to the case, Mr. Munyendo. I think I'll go for criminal, Mr. John will have to wait.
Thank you very much.
Okay, how about you?
Thank you.